Well, it's been around 3 months since we released our last vlog. We have had a couple of messages asking where on earth we've been. In fact, we've even been approached in the street. Now, that's a couple more messages than I thought we would have had. Well, we're here. I apologise for the lack of vlogs. In typical campervan habitude style, we've been working on the house. In addition to all that work going on, we've also had the odd city break or two. In particular, going down to London to spend a bit of time with the children.
That is the Tower of London.
We even managed to squeeze in a little bit of Brompton riding with our friends.
My bum was not touching that saddle again.
And, to save Ruth's arse, we managed to get out for the occasional dog walk too. Now, this weekend is no exception. For those of you who follow our channel, you'll know that we like to get out in Barmouth, particularly on a dog walk or two. In fact, he's been out in the sun all day long. Take a look at this. Oh my days. Now, Ruth has gone to get a quick shower just before we go and grab something to eat. So, before I show you what we've been up to today, let's take a look back at what we've been doing on the van for the last 2 or 3 months. First things first, the van comes out of hibernation.
Oh dear. That's not going anywhere.
Oh, maybe I can try out my Butar battery starter. Oh, you little beauty. After a little insulation and some vapour barrier fitted on the ceiling, we decided to move on to the bench seat, but we're not paying that. For once, I was quite pleased that Evo Design had got our shower unit wrong, because I've got a few offcuts to play with. Is that your cool shot? Now, I thought I'd recorded this bit already, but I hadn't pressed record. So there's my grommet kit. There's the pilot bit that I didn't record, and here is going to be a bigger bit. Right, here we go. So they're drilled through nicely, and I've got my little grommets on there. Haven't painted those holes, of course. This little beauty is my grommet kit, so I'm going to seal all around there, and I've got some Sikaflex 221 seal on there, so I'll get that on now and stick that to the roof. There we go. There we go. As you can see, I've been polishing my roof today, so it's had a nice coat of wax. Look at this weather. It's Sunday morning and most of my neighbours are in bed. Okay, the purpose of this video, to let you know whereabouts we are. Well, you can see we fitted the kitchen unit. There is no worktop on it, but there has been. I've taken that off because we've cut the hole out for the sink and we've treated the worktop too. There was no bed in place the last time you saw it, but we've had a bed in place because we've been using the van. We normally have a board at the end of the bed here, separating the garage. I've taken that out because, again, I've cut a hole in that so that we can gain access to the garage, and we'll have like a small stool underneath. You will see a big gap there. No prizes for guessing what goes in that gap. Albeit, I'm not going to show you the fridge until I've got the worktop back on. There you go, you already caught a sneaky peek of my bench that I'd made. I've still got the protective film on there. We've ordered some foam for the top, the material has already come. So we will be completing that as soon as it arrives. And just at the back of the van, you'll see the bare doors too. We'll be putting panels on there, and we'll be using the material to create, for want of a better term, a bit of a headboard. We've almost finished off the ceiling there, but you'll see I've still got trim to do. Yeah, still got cables dangling down, but I intend on fitting a panel there and connecting all that up, possibly today. See how I'll get on. Right, better get working.
Hi, let's go.
Alright, let's take a look at our weather forecast today.
Today's forecast, a lot of sunshine, blue skies, marine clouds. Just a perfect day to go outside and relax. That's your forecast. We'll be right back.
Yeah, sunny days, sunny days, sunny days. No clouds in the sky, about to get away. Feels like it's been a freaking decade. Sorry, don't call me, cause I'm gonna be on break.
Right, today we're in Barmouth. Beautiful little seaside resort in North Wales. Ruth has brought Rafi. I've brought my M6L. Not only is it an M6L, but it's an M6L with a switch kit. It's 10 o'clock in the morning, it's already busy, the sun's out, so let's go and take a look around the town.
Got a heli on speed, ocean view from the highest peak. I'm complete, oh I want this to stay. Please don't go away. Yeah. Sunny days, sunny days, sunny days. No clouds in the sky, about to get away. Feels like it's been a freaking decade. Sorry, don't call me, cause I'm gonna be on break. Sunny day, make way. All the stress and doubt, yeah, not today. Feels like it's been a freaking decade. Sorry, don't call me, cause I'm gonna be on break. Eco-friendly, here we invite only positivity to this party. Don't want no drama with any bad karma. Got a lot of that in La Vida Loca, just wanna let it all go. Yeah, I can't say no when I'm this free. Don't wanna go home, oh I can't sleep. Weather's so nice, only got good vibes. Yeah, we're here chillin', chillin' in paradise. Sunny days, sunny days, sunny days. No clouds in the sky, about to get away. Feels like it's been a freaking decade. Sorry, don't call me, cause I'm gonna be on break. Sunny day, make way. All the stress and doubt, yeah, not today. Feels like it's been a freaking decade. Sorry, don't call me, cause I'm gonna be on break. Sunny days, sunny days, sunny days. No clouds in the sky, about to get away. Feels like it's been a freaking decade. Sorry, don't call me, cause I'm gonna be on break. Sunny day, make way. All the stress and doubt, yeah.
Ira.
Oh, Rosie. Oh, look at them all. There they go. Yeah. All gone.
This is the beautiful campsite we're on. Look at this. To be fair, any campsite looks good when we've got weather like this. That, just in case you can't see, is the sea. Right, this is us doing a walk into the pub, Norbar restaurant.
Norbar, yeah, seafood restaurant.
Seafood restaurant. And I was considering that I was going to do today a my name is Mel and this is my first pint type clip. But unfortunately, these days I can only manage 2 pints, so it'd be a bit boring.
Yeah, and no one wants to wake up in the camper van with a steaming hangover, do they? And only one headache tablet left in the van.
No, not again anyway. And just in case you were thinking of coming here, don't forget to book. Well, we had a lovely evening last night at the Norbar, where we watched the sun setting. And we've also woken up to sunshine this morning, and we were promised rain. Hopefully you guys are up to speed, and we promised to work a bit more on the van, don't we, Ruth?
Absolutely.
But we need to get off now because we're off to Manchester tomorrow. So thanks for tuning in, thanks for caring, and we'll see you soon.